Yeah, sorry, again got disconnected. I think there is some technical issue. Hello, am I audible?
Yes.
Yes.
Shankar, am I audible? Yeah. The questions are there, visible now. Just a minute. Is a chat. Oh, someone please.
Probably in the chat box there are some other questions which will
Someone
answer.
please paste the chat. The questions once again, please. Thank you. It is reflecting now. Thank you. Thank you. Just a minute.
Yeah.
Just a minute. Shankar. Let me, Shankar, please wait. Yeah. Here you are. Make host. Okay. So now coming to this, yeah, I was talking about this 135, which is this range for me. Okay, and as per this Maffetone method, it is 140 by 150. Okay, so basically as per this 180 formula, actually it is giving a good range to run with, to start running with. Okay, so we were discussing about aerobic runs plus sprinkle speed runs. That is done now. What is the optimum number of? We have done this question. How about the speed runs, aerobic runs plus sprinkle speed runs? Hello, am I audible?
Yeah. What I was trying to aim is that when we can you hear me?
Yeah. Tell me.
Yeah. So what I was trying to aim at is that how many do we need to do any speed runs when we are training for MAF? So so what I understand from you is that we should not do any speed runs at
Correct.
all
Yeah.
as long as we are doing MAF.
Yeah, correct.
So
Because
even in week 1 or 2, that's not required.
No, because see, the reason is because see, the thing is that you are trying to understand your heartbeats, okay, properly. So you can take this as an example, like if there is a horse which is mad, okay, so our heart is also similar to that. So this is a mad horse, okay. So in order to understand that mad horse, you need to understand its behavior, its different kind of parameters of that horse, correct? So जब तक आप उस हॉर्स को, घोड़े को अच्छे से समझ नहीं लोगे तो आप उसको राइड नहीं कर सकते, राइट? सो उसको समझने के लिए आप एक बार उसको ऐसा नहीं कर सकते हो कि तेजी से भगा सकते हो, एंड देन यू कैन रिड्यूस स्पीड, राइट? सो मतलब पहले आप समझने के लिए उसको टाइम लगेगा. सो सिमिलरली आवर हार्ट रेट, सो उस हार्ट रेट को समझने के लिए टाइम लगेगा कि व्हाट आर द थिंग्स which is actually affecting it. Like as I mentioned, this is not only one factor, there are ample number of factors which will affect your heart rate, correct? Are you getting my point? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah.
I think it's more of a holistic approach
Yeah.
जो आप कह रहे हो, rather
Correct,
than
correct.
just focusing on running thing
Yeah,
only.
yeah,
Overall.
correct. Correct. So basically we need to understand, and we need to get into all the aspects, and when we understood it carefully, how does it means all these factors are affecting this heart rate, then only you can start riding on it, correct, and start adding the speed runs, so to say. मतलब ये तो मैंने अपने हिसाब से बता दिया आपको, लेकिन as per this guidelines also, like they say that 6 months of minimum 3 to 6 months of base training you have to do, aerobic conditioning training you have to do, and post only, and without any strength kind of training, because strength kind of training can actually increase the inflammation level in your body, correct? So in order to avoid that, you have to avoid it completely. And because see, the thing is that right now this is the correct time, because see, the thing is that your kind of workout which are actually there currently, so that cannot be extensive one, correct? एनोरोबिक नहीं हो सकता अभी आपका, स्पीड वर्कआउट कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता अभी के लॉकडाउन के कंडीशन में मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, करेक्ट? So this is the perfect time when you can actually include this. in whatever activities you are doing. Not only this is not only related to running, this is also related to other activities, as I told you. Like it can be your skipping, it can be your this staircase climbing and all that, correct? So, and cycling as well, correct? So what is the optimum number of speed runs? Any particular consideration there? Any HR there? Okay, I was talking about this. Okay, so HR there. So yeah, I was talking about that. My this thing as per the guidelines, the HR range is 140 by 150, and as per the clinical study, that maximum heart rate range is 174, and this base HR range is 135. Okay, so what is happening, like I can cross up, I can reach up to 174, okay, during this speed runs, okay. But even during this my this thing full marathon last year, my average heart rate was 167, okay. So it never actually crosses that limit in this case. So obviously, like during speed runs, like usually means, you know, you can understand as per clinical guidelines कि वो आपका क्या रेंज बता रहा है, मैक्सिमम हार्ट रेट रेंज. सो उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपको करना होगा. लेकिन बट आप व्हेन यू स्टार्ट डूइंग दिस मैफेटॉन मेथड, तो आपका वो जो मैक्सिमम एचआर जो है वो नीचे चला जाएगा, ओके. और मैक्सिमम एचआर आपका नीचे चला जाएगा तो एवरेज एचआर भी नीचे चला जाएगा. एंड देन ऑब्वियसली यू नीड नॉट फोकस, मतलब स्पीड रन में आपका क्या हो रहा है. बट बेसिकली द क्राइटेरिया इज लाइक you need to practice this marathon method, HR based training. Then you can you may not focus on the maximum HR range. How to practice nasal breathing? Okay, this is very important question, because when I started running in 2014, then I was actually breathing with mouth only, correct? But the thing is that when you are breathing with mouth, so obviously you need to have more water, because your mouth becomes dry, correct? So and so obviously you are losing, this important hydration which is available in your body, correct? So that's the reason, like nasal breathing is very much important, because it keeps your body hydrated, okay, mostly. And it at the same time, what there are several other benefits which are mentioned in the oxygen advantage book. You can go through it, okay. And so basically this nose is meant for breathing only, correct? So it is also, nose breathing is also related to your HR. So in order to practice this nasal breathing, obviously you can focus more on pranayams, okay. So different kind of pranayams you can do, okay, and improve on your nasal breathing. And apart from that, with awareness also, you can start breathing nasal. You can do this nasal breathing more often, okay. So I will switch off my this thing video once again, because there is a vibration, okay. So nasal breathing is actually important. And see, nasal breathing means it has to be LSD, okay. So long, slow and deep. It has to be very long, it has to be remain slow, and it has to become deep, okay. So while running also, like when you do that nasal breathing, you will figure out that your HR has gone down, okay. So nasal breathing, yeah, you can involve with awareness, okay. And apart from that, see, recently I have started doing this mouth tipping while sleeping. So yeah, you can tip your mouth completely, and then what will happen? Obviously, you have to start taking breathing by nose only, correct? So this is how this nasal breathing will work better, and it will help you to keep your HR down also, correct? And I can actually manage 21 kilometers with nasal breathing only, okay. And uh, I'm thinking to actually tape while running, tape my mouth while running for 21 kilometers, and let's see how does it work out. Okay, so what nutrition do you choose? CI test. Okay, CI test. So carbohydrate intolerance test, it talks about, you know, unique food pattern plan. Okay, so whenever you are actually in general also, whenever you are trying to learn something new, so what happens that you have to remove, or you have to unlearn whatever you have already learned, correct? So for example, during this Maffetone method also, like when we talk about Maffetone method also, then you need to unlearn whatever you have learned earlier. So which means that you have to unlearn that you know running, you have to unlearn that you know speed. Okay, you have to unlearn that speed is something, okay, and distance is something. You have to learn only thing. What is important is, you know, that your heart is there and it beats, and it's the HR beats needs to be understood very carefully. Okay, so how does it beat and how does it affect different parameters of your life? Okay, different things in your life, different you know, if, how does it affect different events in your life, so that you need to understand. So this is the learning. Okay, so similarly when we talk about the CI test, then you need to understand and you need to learn about the food. Okay, and how to learn about the food, like obviously you have to remove all the kind of this carbs in your system. Okay, so how to remove the carbs in the system? So like as per this guidelines in the CI test, and the yes food and no food category which are given there, so you have to accept only yes food for 14 days. Okay, so yes foods are actually most of the veggies which you can have, most of the pulses which you have. You cannot have you know, fruits, and you cannot have rice and many kind of carbs intensive food items. So this is how you are trying to remove everything, and then you start adding everything one by one, sorry, not everything, one by one, and understanding its impact on your body. And this is how you can actually figure out what is the perfect nutrition and what is the actually perfect, you know, food plan for you, correct? Running form suggestion, next question is, so running form suggestion, as I mentioned just now on the video also, like running form, see for example here I would like to mention one example. Like I was running Vasai Virar marathon, and I was running alongside one person who was disabled, okay, who was not having hand. Okay, so like for example, if I'm running and I'm having a certain form, and if that person is running, he is also having certain form, correct? So can we say that that person can follow some kind of, and he was running also very well. Okay, he has got some 1:30 ka timing in for half marathon. Okay, so means we cannot say that there is a particular form which he or I can maintain, because he is obviously he's not having one hand, then also he is able to run by adjusting his body, correct? So accordingly, like his form is unique and my form is unique, correct? So the running form is something which can actually make you most efficient, okay, and most economic, and it can keep your HR low, it can keep you injury free. Okay, so that is how running form and gait has to be defined, correct? So for this running form also, I have shared one link of Dr. Phil Maffetone in the group. Okay, so that you can once again reread. Okay, okay, CI test where it is done is that
Thank you very much, Praveen.
yeah, thank you. So what are the other questions, like CI test, whether where it is done in Pune? So no, it is not done at any place. It is done at your home only. Like there are certain guidelines, food guidelines, which you need to actually consider. Okay, and you need to follow that, and you need to after following that, you need to you know, take down the notes, and on the basis of those notes only you can understand what is that food plan for you. Is that okay? TK? Okay. What are the other questions? What is the other method to practice math other than cycling, swimming, running? What is the other method to practice math other than cycling, swimming, running? Yeah, you can practice for skipping ropes and any kind of aerobic activities. Low cost wristband okay to rely on like MI band. Low cost wristband okay to rely on like MI band? No, obviously, because this will not give you any reliable inputs. Can we practice MAF at HIIT Tabata with high HR to settle and resume it? No, because as per the guidelines during this base building, if you are in base building, then you cannot actually involve this HIIT and Tabata, because again the same thing which I mentioned earlier, it is like a speed runs. Okay, so you cannot play with your HR very often, and because you need to understand first and then only you can play with it, correct? So while understanding, you cannot actually start playing it with it. So HIIT and Tabata is all about playing, so you cannot play. Please throw some light on the dietary habits that I mentioned. So basically, when I talk about this dietary habits, so all the nuts, seeds, and raw food, and whatever is coming through nature, that you can have, correct? So as per the MAF guidelines, like as per the CI test also, you can devise your own nutritional plan. Okay, and so this is how it is. How does the body shifts to fat from carb by just reducing the speed HR? Okay, this is an interesting question. How does the body shift to fats from carbs by just reducing the speed HR? Okay, so see, the thing is that when we start running, okay, and when we start running, at a particular speed, then the combination of this thing, carbs and fat, starts burning, correct? So that combination may get changed for different person. Okay, and on the basis of training which they have actually adopted, correct? So when we start running slow, so obviously the carbs starts burning slow. Okay, and the fat starts burning more, because fat is burning only in the presence of oxygen. Okay, and oxygen is utilized more during slow runs, during aerobic runs. That's the reason it is called aerobic runs. Okay, so you start burning fat more during slow runs. And slow runs does not mean like MAF run are not always slow. So basically we need to understand, and this is how, like we need to understand, like if it is aerobic, then fat will start burning more. And I have shared this thing also, uh, the two graphs, two data in the group also, like wherein and wherein I mentioned that with the same HR range, the pace has gone up or improved. Okay, and pace has improved. At the same time, what is happening, my dependency on carbs has gone down. Because see, why it is, why I'm saying that, because if I'm able to run 30 kilometers without any carb intake or carb intake, it means that it means what? It means that energy is coming from somewhere, correct? And from where it is coming? It is coming through fat only, because fat is able to burn more. Okay, so this is how it happens. Why does a runner immunity drop with increase in training mileage intensity? Correct, because immunity is always related to your stress level in your life, correct? So whenever there is a stress, your immunity will go down. So running is also very stressful or impactful workout. So whenever you are running at a full speed, or running a marathon, So what happens, your body is completely stressed, okay, and since it is stressed, so obviously your immunity will go down, correct? I was under the impression that not even one speed workout or race is allowed while doing math training. Is it true? I was under impression that not even one speed workout. Yes, correct. You are true. During the base building period, that is 3 months to 6 months, no speed trainings are allowed. Okay, and post that, on the basis of your understanding of your HR and on the basis of your improvement, okay. And see, one thing what we missed to discuss here, like there is a math test which is prescribed, like whether you are improving or not, that you can ascertain by taking that math test. Okay, so math test means what? Like you have to run and start checking your HR, and if you are actually in loose sense, if you are actually able to achieve a negative this thing negative split with a lower HR, then what you can think, like you are improving on your base building. Okay, so once you improve on your base building, then only you can include this speed workout. And as we discussed earlier also, like we can sprinkle this speed workouts in between, like the way we add salt. Okay, so we cannot add salt to our food more than prescribed or more than our this taste. Okay, are we allowed to do HIIT or other strength training which exercise which shoot the heart rate? No, obviously no, during this workout training. So now coming to this point, this is also very interesting. When you do this 3 to 6 months of training, so what will happen, like the way you were doing the strength training earlier and the way you will do the strength training post this 3 to 6 months of base building will get changed. Your even the strength training will become aerobic, and you can lift more weight after post this aerobic base building workout. How long should you reach your yeah, hello, yeah,
Praveen?
yeah,
Yeah, we are closer to our closing time, so
yeah,
we can ask other participants to send the questions on over
yeah,
here or on the what?
okay. Yeah, everyone, like see, we are about to close by 4:30. So whosoever is having more other questions, like you can post it on the WhatsApp or you can email, and that can be suitably answered, correct, on one-to-one basis, or maybe in the group setup in the WhatsApp group. Okay, so uh, so what is the difference in nasal versus mouth breathing? What is the recommended for MAF versus races? So that I have mentioned earlier also, that we have discussed earlier already. You said rest is important, sleep is not. But even at work, HR is less than that. Less than that while running at rest. So which is, no, I could not get that. You said rest is important, sleep is not. Yes, correct. But even at work, HR is less. Even at work, HR is less. If you are able to manage your HR better, then obviously means you will feel better during the day, whole of the day, correct? And obviously means you will feel less sleepy. So which is better? Do you mean keto diet? Keto diet, yeah. No, see, the keto diet and the CI test is different. And keto diet, there is another, film Afton talks about different kind of this keto plan as well. So that you need to go through. I have not taken this keto diet as such, but I have done made my diet plan through this 2-week test only, where we can see yes and no foods. Okay. Okay. So it is already answered. How does the body shift to fat from carbs by just reducing? Okay. That is all. Okay. Done. Food habits again. What about some fluctuation which are while running, particularly in rolling route? What is the source of energy at anaerobic zone activity? What is the source of energy at anaerobic zone activity? Obviously, it is more you are burning more of carbs. Okay, so if you are burning more of valuable energy, that is carbs. So obviously, you cannot actually run more and run long or run a speed. A range of speed run and slow run. What WhatsApp group better so that everyone understand. Open up WhatsApp group to allow people to post their queries. Okay, I will open it up just now. Post in WhatsApp group which is helpful for all. Okay. At ease starting and continuing my frame. Good. Anyone else? So I think all the questions has been answered here. So if anyone is having any question, then like we have got only 1 minute spare now. Okay, and you can unmute yourself. Shankar, you can unmute everyone, and if anyone is having any question, then they can ask just now.
Yes, unmuted to everyone.
Yeah.
Unmuted all.
Yeah. So everyone, there will be a feedback form also, which will follow after the session in the WhatsApp group. Okay, so you can actually fill that form. Okay, and thanks everyone for this for your participation. Okay.
Thanks, Praveen, for this wonderful session.
Thank you, Sandeep. And
thanks, Praveen. It was really helpful.
So start practicing this map method now onwards. Okay. All the best, all of you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Praveen.
Yeah. Thank you.